If it's like Mang Tomas or banana ketchup, if there's nothing left in the bottle, you add a little bit of water,
Would they shake it?
shake it,
You're a bit
and
too
then
low.
use it. Oh.
No,
Yeah, do you guys do that?
No, no,
No?
no.
We do that when we were kids. Okay, this is what we do.
Ketchup. We do it in ketchup,
Even
but
with Mang Tomas.
no, I don't think I've never seen mom do it.
Anyways, okay, so this is the ritual with banana ketchup or Mang Tomas. If you're almost close in emptying it out, you flip it
Yeah.
upside down, right? And you lay it somewhere. And then you use it all up, and then you add water, and then shake it, and then you use everything up. You don't do that?
No.
I guess you guys are rich.
We're not rich. We just don't want to be broke.
Oh.
So, like, we're already close to there. We don't want to feel that way. Like, there's certain stuff that we're gonna crimp on. Not condiments, okay?